Did you know, ang paghihiwalay ay pwedeng through annulment or legal separation? Annulment makes a marriage void, na parang walang kasal na naganap. Kung meron silang bagong partner, they can remarry. In legal separation, the marriage is still valid, kaya hindi pwede mag-remarry. Ang difference lang ay separate na ang tirahan, dissolved na ang conjugal properties, at wala nang marital obligations. In the case of Buwado versus Hines Buwado, si Ronald Buwado ay nag-file ng annulment on the grounds of his psychological incapacity. The court granted his request dahil napatunayan hindi niya kaya magbigay ng emotional connection. Annulment cuts the bond. Legal separation just ends your duties.